Neil Armstrong. Research is creating new knowledge. Good morning, one and all present here. I, Jivita Mudliar, on behalf of the Center for Advanced Studies in Policy Research, feel delighted to welcome all of you for the valedictory ceremony of Econovate 2020 Ideas for the Changed World. Let me take the privilege to welcome our chief guest, Professor Pulapre Balakrishnan sir. Professor Pulapre Balakrishnan is trained as an economist at Oxford and Cambridge. His published works spans the inflationary process, the measurement of productivity growth, the transition to the market in post-communist Europe, agriculture involution 2014 in Kerala, and economic growth in India. Published in the professional journals, he is, however, best known for his books Pricing and Inflation in India and Economic Growth in India, History and Prospect. He has held appointments at Oxford University, the Indian Statistical Institute at Delhi, and the Indian Institute of Management at Kozhikode. He has served as country economist for Ukraine at the World Bank and as a consultant to the ILO, RBI, and UNDP. During 2010-13, he was the director of the Center for the Development Study at Thiruvananthapuram, currently professor of economics of Ashoka University and senior fellow of IIM Kozhikode. He has for over 25 years intervened in the public discussion on India's economic through his popular writing. Balakrishnan is a recipient of Malcolm Adishesha Award for the Distinguished Contribution to the Development Studies 2014. We are very much grateful to him for having some time to join us. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you very much, Jivita. Thank you.
Further, I welcome all the participants of Econovate 2020, our fellow researchers, and the team of Casper. As we all know, the world is going through the COVID pandemic. During these difficult times, when everything is stalled like never before, Casper organized Econovate 2020, giving an amazing opportunity to all the talented young research scholars to showcase their stellar research presentation and putting forth the recommendation as one ways our economic can revive itself for the impact of COVID-19. We had with us researchers participating from various colleges like Madras School of Economics, IIT Roorkee, BITS Pilani, IIM Kozhikode, Tata Institute of Social Science Mumbai, Delhi School of Economics, and many others. We had paper presentation on thoroughly researched topics like impact of COVID-19 on Indian economic, a new epic skill development body in the wake of COVID-19 crisis, impact of COVID with reference to insurance sector, and many more. This session was evaluated by our panel members, Ankita Garg from Delhi School of Economics and associated with the Casper as Research Fellow, Saheli Bose from Jadavpur University from Kolkata and associated with Casper as Research Fellow, Dr. Mansi Gore from Savitribai Phule, Pune University and associate with Casper as Research Fellow, Dr. Meenal Anna Chatre and from Savitribai Phule, Pune University and associated with Casper as Research Fellow. Dr. Meenal and Dr. Mansi, somehow they couldn't join us due to the technical issue, but I thank you all the panel members for being there with us. Thank you so much. And I would also like to introduce Dr. Akash Kamble, who is associated with Casper as an editor, and we thank him for his support throughout the session, So thank you, sir. So let's begin with the valedictory ceremony. Now I request Professor Balakrishnan sir to please announce the winners in the ascending orders.
Hello,
so
everybody.
You can go ahead.
Hello, everybody. Good morning. And first of all, my thanks to the Center for Advanced Studies in Policy Research, in particular Sandeep Hegde and Komal Dadas, and now Jivita Mudaliar for this wonderful introduction. Thank you so much indeed, everybody, and all the participants. It's a real pleasure to do this, mainly because this is such an important project to get young people to send in their ideas about COVID-19 and its impact on the Indian economy. And I've just been looking at the names and topics of the winners. And I'm so impressed that this is on such a wide range of issues, and also very equally importantly, the participants are from so many different parts of this country. And both of these together make me feel very good about this. And I must express admiration for 2CASPR for having initiated this. So let me go on to the very pleasant task of announcing the winners. The organizers have said that I should do this in a so-called ascending order. So yeah, so that's a nice little twist, and I'm going to try and do that. And I don't know whether I'll have the time to read out the affiliations and the topics. Maybe I should do both, but let me try. Thank you. All right, so we
Hello.
Hello, I think we lost Professor Bala.
sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, there seems to be some connectivity issue, so we will wait
No,
for a
he's
while.
there. He's there, so.
Is there?
Yeah,
Yeah.
he's there.
But it's stuck. Like,
The audio
I think-
is, there's
yeah.
some issue with audio. I think, yeah, we would have to unmute him, Komal.
So he's unmuted. He's unmuted only. He's unmuted.
Okay.
God.
Hello, I think he's unmuted.
Yes, sir, he is unmuted.
Well, that's okay. There will be some technical glitches all the time.
Yeah.
Professor Bala, can you hear me? Can you try logging out and then logging in? I think that may help.
Yeah. Ask him to reach.
Hello, Jivita. I'm
he's there.
very sorry. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, we can
Yes,
hear you,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Loud
sir,
and
we
clear.
can.
I'm very sorry, participants.
No problem,
That's-
sir.
So that's completely okay. We can't say anything about the network issue.
So I hope the switching between these two is not causing. Can you hear me now, Sandeep?
Yes, sir, we can hear you now. You're very much
Okay.
audible.
Yeah. So let me. Sandeep, are the participants on now? Could I have a word? Are the participants on
Yes,
this?
sir. Everyone is
Alright,
there. You can have
Okay,
a word.
everybody's there. Yeah, no, that's fine. So let me start. The names of those in the third position are first Pooja Kapoor of the IIT Roorkee for having done a project on COVID-19 and its impact on the Indian economy vis-a-vis inflation. likely impact. Now, that's a very important topic. Now, there are two persons from the IIM Kozhikode, Karan Kohli and Kunal Dheer. And they have together done sorry, there's a third name, Rona Kochar, and they have done a project on a new apex skill development body in the wake of COVID-19 crisis. Another name in the third position is a team from the Madras School of Economics, and the names are Udita Ghosh, Nikhil Srinivas, and Ayushi Samadar. And they have done a study on policy responses to pandemic-posed economic challenges. So this is the name of these are the names in the third place. The names in the second place are Divyajyoti Basak, Himanshu Hari, Nitika Shri, all from the Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Mumbai, and having worked on the project Impact of COVID-19 on Agriculture in India. And finally, we come to the two sets of persons in the first rank, Spandan Gupta and Prajakta Sandeep Dangawal, both from the Birla Institute of Technology and Science, Pilani, have a study of the conditions surrounding NBFCs amidst COVID-19. And the next team are Charul Verma and S. Shakti Sri. Charul Verma of TIS Hyderabad and Shakti Sri of the Delhi School of Economics, University of Delhi. And they have together worked on economic and social costs of COVID-19 and remedies. So these are the names of the members of the three teams. Now there is also a best paper which the leadership has announced. The paper is on insurance coverage during epidemics in India, a preliminary analysis. And the two persons named here are Somesh K. Mathur of IIT Kanpur and Deepti Sara Anil of the IIT Kanpur. So this completes the names of the winners, and I hope that was clear to you. And I'm coming back to joining the meeting.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for announcing the winners. I congratulate all the winners of Econovate 2020. I request the winner, first winner of the event, Spandan Gupta and Prajakta, would you like to share your experience with us? Hello? Is Spandan Gupta and Prajakta is on the meeting? I think there is some technical issue by themselves. I request now Charul Verma and Shakti Sri to please share your experience.
Hello. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
It was amazing to participate in this competition, and of course we were struggling hard to bring out some different aspect of this COVID-19 and present it. And it's wonderful that we got a chance to present a paper and receive acknowledgement from sir. So I would like to thank Casper for this opportunity.
Thank you so much.
I may come in, if I may come in for a second. If the participants, the winners, can you please turn on your AV feed so that Bala sir can see you? It actually is kind of experience when one feels like talking to a wall. So if we can have a communication rather than just one-way interaction.
Of course, I can see their very nice photographs here, but we'll have to see them live. Hello.
Yeah, Charu, please go ahead.
Hello, Charu.
Yeah,
hi.
good morning.
Yeah, what are you studying at TIS? Are you an MA student? Are you a master's student?
Yes, I'm studying public policy and governance.
Public policy and governance.
In TIS Hyderabad.
I know, yes, I noticed here. Well, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Is your teammate also on this now, or
Uh,
is she
no,
here?
sir.
She
I
didn't
don't think she was able to join. I
wasn't
think
able to join.
yeah, she had some network issues, so she didn't join.
I see. I see.
Many
That's it.
congratulations to both of you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sandeep,
Thank you.
can I ask Charul a very quick question? Do you have time?
Yes, please. We have ample time, so we have all the time.
Charul, it's not a question, but if you want to tell us in a line what your project was about and what is your finding.
So I have we did a study on economic and social costs of COVID-19. So
Cost. I see. I see. Okay.
yeah, so in the social costs, we tried to include all different aspects like the impact on women, and the impact on mental health of people, as well as the othering phenomena that we are seeing around here. And
Oh.
we found that it's like a systemic problem in the country that we are facing. And through this, we found that it needs some structural solutions, not some short-term measures that could help. Of course, for the economy, we need short-term measures that can help in quick recovery. But for these social costs, we found that it is important that structural measures, systemic, because it's a systemic failure that we are seeing, and it's impacting people in a very different way. So that's what we found, and I think we should conduct more research and try to find more things about how this social how this how COVID-19 is impacting the social life of the people.
Thank you, Charul. I think Bala Krishnan sir has some connectivity issue again.
Yeah,
Thank you and congratulations again, once again.
thank you, ma'am.
So now I request our second winner, Divya Jyoti Basuk and Himanshu Aryan Nidika. Yes, sir.
Jivita, can we wait for a moment so that Balasa can join in again? I think.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I'm not sure
Acha,
whether
he
he
left.
can hear us or not.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
He has
By
lost
the way,
his connectivity. In fact, he's totally lost. So we would have to wait for him for a while.
yeah, by the way, I would like to inform all of the participants who have joined in. Balasar is presently at a small village in Kerala. So he has conveyed that he's having network issues already. Kerala, and I think that it is the beginning of the monsoon over there. So since he has done his best connecting with a broadband connection, he has specially asked us that he would like to have a demo, have a trial. So we had it yesterday, and he usually is the person who takes all that care. So we have been having him for last couple of occasions. So, but we still cannot say anything about the network and the other issues. So we may have to wait for a while. I hope you would all bear for some time. And in my opinion, I've been reading him for last 10-15 years in Hindu, Business Line, most of the newspapers. He has written on various aspects. So you can also visit his website. So there is whatever he has written till now, he has made all of it available. So it is a great amount of work, and the horizon that he has been writing on, he has been sharing his thoughts on, is completely astonishing. So I think, in my opinion, having to have somebody like him and listen from him and interact with him itself is an opportunity. So I, with this, all of this boring kind of uh, conversation, I just want to say that we can wait for a while so that he can join. Yeah. And one more aspect is that he is not so much aware with all of this new technology like Zoom. Even we are not. We are still studying. Especially, I am struggling with all of this, and of course, the connectivity.
Sir is yours.
Yeah, okay.
Back. The connectivity just went off.
No, that's okay, sir.
I just can't explain this. Yeah, anyway, I'm back. Hello?
Yeah, Charul, yeah, please go ahead.
Yes. Sir,
Charul, I'm very, very sorry about this. I'm in a rural setting. Connectivity is bad. Please. So you don't have to start again. You talked about the impact on economic and social aspects. Carry on.
yes,
Yeah.
sir. In the economic aspect, we covered mostly the trade and international trade and the supply and demand problems. But in the social aspect, we covered the impact on women, the impact on the mental health of the people, as well as the othering phenomena that we are seeing, that people are classifying them into some sort of community and then having prejudice against that community.
Right. Ostracization of some kind of.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
So, Charul, only because there's so many participants, maybe we should just move on. But thank you very much. Just a thought that struck me: you used the word cause, but I think you used the word social and economic causes. But I think you should use the word social and economic effects or impact. Am I making myself clear?
So we use the word cost, economic and social costs of COVID-19.
Thank you for correcting me. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, excellent. Thanks. Thank you, Sandeep.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you so much, Charul. I now call upon second winner, Divya Jyoti Basu, Himanshu Ari and Nitika Shrey. Please share your experience with us. Himanshu, is anybody there from this team in this meeting?
Yeah, Nitika, I'm here.
Yeah, Nitika, please carry on.
Good morning, sir. And
good morning, Nitika. Hello.
Even I am here. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah,
good. Hello. Okay, Himanshu, hi.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
Both of you can please speak. You can.
Yeah. Tell us. Yeah.
Yes, so we are doing a master's in, we are done with the master's in development studies from Tata Institute, Mumbai.
Right.
And we presented this paper on the impact of COVID-19 on agriculture. And mostly we covered the supply chain constraints which will come up and which had, because of lockdown, what all the bottlenecks were there in the supply chain. And in the paper, we covered mostly about how that this is the peak of the Rabi season and how there will be a lot of stock which needs to be stored up. So we talked about the warehouse management conditions in India. Then in one section, we also talked about the APMC mandis and how the number of stocks or the items which are being reached the market there is a problem in procurement. And then we covered a certain aspect of the amendments to the APMC Act and how the Essential Commodity Act would have, what will be the consequences of it. And then a little section about the milk and poultry sector, how will they be affected? And a little about how food security is an important topic to touch upon while we are facing such crucial critical condition in India because of the lockdown and COVID.
And what are your findings, or what did you find, or what did you end up with as conclusions?
So it was basically that for the small farmers, this is going to be a huge issue because they need a certain amount of help in the procurement of the farm inputs. Along with that, a certain amount of financial support is needed by them. So how this can be done and how, when we talk about APMC, what all has to be kept in mind, that if there has been an enabling of certain new policies like contract farming, how small steps can be taken so that the benefits can be taken up by the small farmers also, like how the number of middlemen and how can the farmers be connected to the buyers directly. And this is basically the solutions which we have given in the paper.
Great. Now, can I inquire with Himanshu and you a couple of points? Can I ask you a couple of points that come out of your research?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So there is the claim that actually procurement has been almost a record of the Rabi harvest. What is, with such data that you have, or with your judgment, Is that correct? I mean, has procurement gone off reasonably well? I guess when we say procurement, we basically mean procurement of wheat, right? We can't, in the Rabi season, it can't be anything else, I suppose. But what is your sense? Has procurement suffered, or we don't have any data to say anything about this as yet? How do you, Ritika, feel about it? What's your sense of this?
Okay, so when we are talking about the procurement here, if we look at the the recent data regarding the smaller part of it, if we look at it, how many trucks are usually coming at the APMC now to help the produce reach the marketplace. So there has certainly been a decrease in the number of the commodities which are reaching the market because of COVID-19 and the lockdown. So there is a glut of food, and the like the recent data was that the Food Corporation of India already has 21 MMT of ton. There is a glut of the produce, but then how much they are able to reach the market or the mandi,
I see.
that has been, that has decreased, and there is a bottle, like there is a supply.
Right. And yeah, you, both of you have, or three of you have actually studied the reforms, or so to speak, the changes in the APMC Act and the Essential Commodities Act, etc. Strictly, these are not COVID-related issues. Huh? They happen now, but the reforms are announced now, but they're not particularly COVID-related. Nevertheless, they're very important issues and something on which any economist would be very curious about what your findings or what your general feeling is. If you are asked to state in a line, what do you think is going to be the impact of these APMC reforms, so to speak? Will it benefit the farmer? Will it not help the farmer, or will it be neutral?
It's a good question. So, sir, like I think day before yesterday or like few days back, I saw that there's some ordinance also in APMC where like the government has allowed to have a alternative to APMC market. Like in my opinion, if I like keeping data apart, I believe that any alternative to APMC, I mean, it will take time because of reasons of trust to develop market, to the behavioral kind of change. So I mean, I believe even if we are giving alternative to APMC, it will take time, and it's not a one-day thing or two or a one year.
Himanshu, that's of course a very good reasoned judgment. There would be lags. Yeah, that's very sensible. Any economist would say that. But on balance, you must have a view, having studied this. Is it a good thing? Will it help the farmers? Not help the farmers? In a line. I don't want to hold up the
right way.
Sorry?
Good if done in a right way.
They will get, I mean, on paper they'll get a right price. I mean, that's what theoretically has been proposed. So
right. Okay, Jivita, am I taking too much time? Please let me know, huh?
Not at all, sir.
No, sir.
Not at all, sir.
You tell me. You please conduct this. Cut in. I don't know how to.
No, sir. It is fine.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you,
Thank you very much, Nitika, Himanshu, and your partner, the third person who is not with us at the moment. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you for the review, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nitika, Himanshu. Congratulations once again, and also to your team members, Divya Jyoti. And now I request our second runner-up, that is Pooja Kapoor, to please share your experience. Pooja, are you on the meeting?
Yes.
Yeah.
So